Welcome to Part 9 of Linux 0 to Expert. On Windows, you hunt the web for an installer and hope it isn't malware. Linux flipped that model decades ago, and the app stores on your phone copied it. Software comes from repositories, trusted, signed collections, installed, and updated with one command. Today, the apt workflow you'll use weekly, how repositories actually work, searching for software, keeping systems patched, and the Red Hat equivalents so nothing surprises you at work. Short, practical, and you'll use it forever. Let's install something. Here's the workflow burned into every Linux user's fingers. Sudo apt update refreshes the catalog. It installs nothing. It just fetches the latest list of what's available. Sudo apt upgrade then applies the updates. Always in that order. Update, then upgrade. Installing is one command. Sudo apt install top. And the magic is dependency resolution. Apt works out everything top needs and installs it all. Remove uninstalls. Apt search finds software by keyword, and apt show prints the description, size, and version before you commit. Make update and upgrade a weekly habit. Patch systems are boring systems, and boring is exactly what you want from security. Why is this model better than downloading installers? First, trust. Every package is cryptographically signed, so tampering is detected before anything touches your system. The sources, defined in etc. app sources list, are the catalogs your system trusts. Dependencies are shared and solved automatically, which is why Linux never developed Windows DLL hell. And the killer feature, one command updates the operating system and every installed application together. Compare that to hunting 30 different auto-updaters. You can add extra repositories. Docker publishes one, for example, but treat that like adding a contact to your trusted list, official sources only. And yes, your phone's app store copied this exact model. Linux had it first by a decade. Two more dialects so nothing at work surprises you. The Red Hat family, Fedora, RHEL, Rocky, uses DNF, and it's the same verbs. DNF install, DNF update. Different dialect, same language, you already speak it. Then the universal formats, Snap, from Ubuntu, and Flatpak, from the community. They bundle an app with all its dependencies, bigger downloads, but the same package runs on any distro. Desktop apps like VS Code and Spotify ship this way. Career tip. Enterprises overwhelmingly run Red Hat Enterprise Linux, so casually knowing DNF earns quiet respect in interviews. And when you wonder what an install actually did, dpkg-L lists every file a package placed on disk. Let's do the real-world recipe you'll follow whenever installing professional tools. Docker, Kubernetes, PostgreSQL, because they all use the same three-step pattern. Step 1. Download the vendor's signing key, so your system can verify their packages. Step 2. Register their repository in a small file under sourceslist.d. One file per vendor keeps it tidy and auditable, and the sign by clause pins exactly which key may sign those packages. Step 3. It's just apt again. Update, install Docker CE. And here's the payoff. From now on, Docker updates together with everything else on your weekly upgrade. Set up once, maintained forever. That pattern is in every vendor's install docs. Now you can read it fluently instead of pasting blindly. Part 9 complete. Software is officially solved. Update refreshes the catalog, upgrade applies it. Install and remove do what they say, and search means you never hunt the web for installers again. You know why the repository model wins. You can read any vendor's three-step repo recipe, and DNF won't surprise you at work. Homework. Install top and nkdo. You'll thank me for nkdo next time a disk fills up. Next, Part 10. Networking Essentials. Your IP address, ping, curl, what ports actually are, and how to see who's listening on them. The video that makes Part 11's SSH feel easy. See you there.